Hello, my name is Bloodmoon. And the guy who's holding the camera,
Wolf Moon.
Wolfmoon, we had a complaint of someone that said he hates his videos, but he does he. Are you late to Bloodmoon? No, but I'm his friend. We've been friends since high school. Whoever did it, I may try to find you. Because I know someone who can hack to you. But Rodriguez, you're safe.
Boom. Alright, we're playing Need for Speed Most Wanted, if you don't know the game.
Later on, I have to check the video on that mumbling.
No bullying.
Yeah.
Oh, I put already, it's no bullying now.
No, mumbling.
No
Am
mumbling?
I talking mumbly?
Oh. Oh yeah, you went for the...
Slighorn.
Yeah.
But my YouTuber said crit. And I crit.
You
Craig.
almost said it.
Crit. I can't say crit. Yeah.
Craig.
Can't say Craig. That's one of my other friends.
Oh.
Because he's not in this video. Bloodmoon. Is your horn a unicorn horn? No, I told people it's a dark horn. Most people get it correctly.
Completely different. Unicorn horn is completely up
Straight out.
and more pointy.
No,
a lot more
no,
pointy. It is a lot more pointy.
No, curved.
Okay, yeah, it is kinda
Mine's
curved.
more like a sharp tooth.
Yes.
That's the most pointy of all. It's a razorback.
For you guys out there that don't know, me and Bloodmoon have been wanting to do a YouTube video. Well, I've been wanting to do a YouTube video with Bloodmoon for a while now. Since I started my YouTube channel, which was not too long ago, but I've been wanting to do YouTube channels with Bloodmoon for a while. I can't wait for my dad to come down here and say, "What are you two doing?"
Oh. You know I live alone.
Alright, I think that's the right one. Let's make sure that's the horn.
Oh yeah, and one comment said, for you YouTubers, no, my girlfriend's not going to be on any video till way in the future.
Boom! Bang! Bada bada boom bang.
What was that?
I don't know. I just thought it was funny. Was it not?
This controller's so mean to me.
It's mean to me too.
No, this one.
Yeah, it's mean to me
This
too.
is broken.
It's mean to me too, Chris.
You could have told me to bring one of these over because I have.
I didn't know you had one.
I told you I have the old first one, and
I thought you meant like... I forgot you...
I may update to Xbox One in the future. I hope I'm not sitting. I'm not sitting.
You're like...
And to prove it in my Bloodmoon. Hold on, my phone's kind of dead. Been having problems. I'll show you in a minute.
Mine's is... No. I just forgot mine's is right there. We're using mine. I'm having so many laughs right now. We're working on Bloodmoon's car on this profile.
You mean hot fire?
Huh?
Hot fire.
Yeah, hot fire. Wait, is that the name of your car?
That's the name of my cars because they're made from hell.
We're working on his hot fire vehicles. But for over here, because we're staying at
Your
Wolf
house.
Moon's house. So, Wolf Wolf out. There's a problem. We don't have enough cash.
And you don't believe me, hold on. Here's my account. If you can zoom in on it.
Zoom in?
No, they have to zoom in. They won't.
It's too shiny. There we go. Wolf Moon. Blood Moon right there. Proof. Blood Moon.
Make it worse.
Alright. Bam. Back on thing.
I don't want to show my screen.
Why? You just showed it.
No.
You just showed a screen.
Oh, God.
But not the whole screen.
If you guys guess it, I may send a fan mail to you and a prize.
Make sure you look at more Wolf Moon videos and subscribe. Punch the like button.
And the bell icon.
And the bell. So you can find out when more videos come out.
Notified.
Well, notified when more come out. Alright.
You're new at this, aren't you?
Very new. So we can't finish his car on here. So what I'll do is
Ow.
compromise. We're gonna head to my file with the best cars in the galaxy.
You mean the game?
I mean the galaxy.
These cars are already built.
In the galaxies.
No, they're built in China. They're all made in China.
No.
No, we shipped the cars.
Muscle cars aren't made in China.
No, we shipped them to China because China is the one that came up with the movie. The first Men for Speed characters. And then we planned them to move into America because there's more fun here. Because we have more muscle in
They did start off the whole Need for Speed deal. If you guys didn't know what we were talking about where Need for Speed originated. So, this is the Green Machine. Fastest car built so far
in the game.
Best thing ever, right? I know.
I bet people built this car already.
Yeah, but not that fast.
No, some people can. It's just
And this is what I call the golden...
I accidentally hit the button.
The golden bullet, but it's impounded right now. If you've ever played this game and seen Cross's car, this is what Cross's car looks like.
Well, how do you get impounded? You crashed it?
No. Police take it.
I forgot they do that.
Yeah, the cops take your car.
I hope they don't steal mine.
Yours hasn't been made on a career file, so...
Oh, career file.
That can't work. But we'll turn this into the Blood Moon Mobile.
Mean Green Machine turned into Bloodmobile.
Yeah. And we'll switch back and forth.
Yeah, actually, my main color was actually blue and gray.
Your main color was?
My favorite color.
Oh, your favorite color, blue and green.
Till I actually found out it was black. I actually mumbled that accent. I found out it was black, red, and white. Since I heard Blood Moon, I loved it, so I named myself after the Night of the Dead. They use it.
Stop it!
You
You butthead, stop that. He's playing around, trying to make me wreck. Alright. Okay. You wanna play that way?
Well, if I actually were playing the cards against, not against each other, but roaming around each other, the area.
Well, you see, you can't have two players when you're roaming. This is free roam.